viewers, welcome to Million Designs, your online shopping destination for pure Kanjivaram silks. I am Rajni and back today with some exclusive beautiful Korvai Kanjivarams. Starting our episode with this beautiful royal blue with golden zari stripes pattern on either sides of the saree with big tilagam motifs in golden zari on the body, accompanied with contrast blouse piece and pallu. Next saree is black and ash combination with silver grey in the border. This Korvai Kanjivaram has got simple temple border above the border and is priced 10,800. That's the blouse piece in silver grey. Next is a very attractive Kora color with royal blue rettapettu style, simple temple border. Very classy combination, and here is the open view, priced at 11,500. Next saree is a very beautiful multicolor combination in the border with navy blue on the body and Ananda blue with orange piping comes in the border. Big circular zari motifs comes on the body, and here is the open view, priced at 11,200. Next is mustard yellow with dark pink combination, rettapettu style, golden zari border on either sides of the saree. This saree is priced 11,500. We have few more in the rettapettu style with light beautiful color combinations. Dark coral pink with contrast black here. It has got bottle green piping on either sides of the saree with minute checks pattern on the body, priced at 11,500. Next combination is lemon yellow with royal blue. This time magenta piping comes on either sides with the traditional authentic Kanjivaram borders, priced at 11,500. Next comes with a light shade on the body and contrast dark black on the borders, with checkered pattern on the body and magenta piping, priced at 11,500. That's the pallu. Next beautiful combination is light parrot green with purple on the borders with Rani pink on either sides of the saree. Priced same 11,500. Next saree is half and half style with big border on the second half, bottom part, which has got royal blue and purple combination with Annam's motifs, priced at 9,990, complemented with contrast royal blue blouse piece and pallu. Next is a light shade in blue with stripes pattern multicolor borders. The pallu is in Rani pink and the blouse piece too, priced at 10,700. Next is a Ganga Jamuna pattern with bright red, orangish red on the body, light green and violet comes on either sides, priced 9,200. Next one is mustard yellow with brick brown rettapettu style border. This is the closer view. Traditional Kanjivaram sarees, priced at 11,990. The folded part here is the blouse piece. Next is light cream shade with contrast parrot green on either sides of the border, priced at 9,200. Next is a rare combination, Rexona green with bright red borders, traditional Kanjivaram weaving and contrast pallu and blouse piece in red, priced at 12,800. Next saree is yellow and orange combination. Thin golden zari border on either sides, priced 8,900. Next saree is with white and royal blue border with simple temple border and minute checkered pattern all over the body, priced 11,500. Next saree is orange and bottle green combination, same Rettapettu style temple border. Here is the open view and the folded part shown here has got the blouse piece, priced 11,500. Next comes lemon green with beautiful small silver zari border and buttas on the body, complemented with contrast pallu, priced at 10,500. Here is the open view and the blouse piece. Next comes very vivid combinations in light green and royal blue with multi-colors in the border. This is the closer view and the saree is priced 11,700. Next one is green with black combination, simple yet classy Kanjivaram. Priced 10,000 rupees. All the sarees in today's video are all Korvai authentic pure Kanjivaram silks. Here comes mustard yellow with sky blue combination. Priced at 11,500 again. Here is a big wide border Ganga Jamuna style, priced 9,300. These three sarees, each of them priced 7,500 and have got golden zari, which is pure zari. You can see the pallu, body and the blouse piece in the single picture, each of them priced 7,500. This saree is also pure zari in dark peachish pink, priced 7,500. This is the last saree in today's episode, priced at 10,500. In order to book your sarees, please contact us on our WhatsApp number 7010830303. My sister Bharati will assist you in placing the order after checking the availability at the weavers. See you all in next episode. Until then, take care. Bye bye.